Hey everyone! If you want the kitchen to work for you, not the other way around, you're in the right place. We've rounded up Amazon finds that cut prep time, speed up cooking, and keep cleanup simple. Links to everything are below. Whether you cook daily or just love gadgets, these budget-friendly upgrades deliver real results and a little more fun every time you step up to the stove. Find all the product links mentioned in this video in the description box below. For more comprehensive details, visit our website, consumerfinds.com. Like this video, subscribe our channel, and click the notification bell for the latest updates. Ready for the list? Let's jump right in. Number 1. KitchenAid Artisan Series 5-quart stand mixer, an icon for a reason. The tilt-head design, 10 speeds, and a sturdy 5-quart bowl handle everything from cookies to pizza dough with steady power and consistent mixing. The front hub accepts dozens of attachments, pasta, grinder, spiralizer, so one machine expands into a full prep station. All-metal construction and timeless styling make it a countertop keeper that lasts. If you bake or batch cook, this mixer saves time, improves texture, and unlocks new recipes you'll actually make again and again. Number 2. Ninja Creami NC301 Ice Cream Maker. Custom frozen treats on demand. Freeze your base, then let the Creami spin it into ice cream, gelato, sorbet, or light options with mix-ins from cookies to fruit. Respin refines texture, and separate pints let everyone choose their flavor. It's perfect for controlling sugar, dairy, and add-ins, and it cleans up easily after dessert. If you love creative flavors or have dietary preferences, this machine makes indulgent, silky results at home. No guessing, no constant stirring, just scoop and smile. Number 3. Instant Vortex Plus 6-quart Clear Cook Air Fryer. Watch your food crisp through the viewing window while Even Crisp technology circulates hot air for golden fries, wings, and roasted veggies with less oil. One-touch programs handle common dishes, a preheat gets up to temp quickly, and a light helps you check progress without opening the basket. Cleanup is simple with non-stick parts. If you want faster weeknight dinners and reliable results, this air fryer delivers consistent crunch and control while keeping your oven free for bigger jobs. Number 4. AeroPress Clear Coffee Maker. Smooth, rich coffee in about a minute with minimal cleanup. AeroPress blends the best of press, pour over, and espresso-style brewing using microfilters to reduce grit and bitterness. The Clear Edition's durable Triton body lets you see the process and packs easily for travel or the office. It's endlessly tweakable, water temp, grind, and brew time, so you can dial in your perfect cup. If cafe flavor without complex gear is the goal, this compact brewer is the ultimate daily upgrade. Number 5. Instant Pot Duo 7-in-1 Electric Pressure Cooker. Tender results, faster dinners, and fewer dishes. The Duo pressure cooks, slow cooks, sautés, steams, makes rice and yogurt, and keeps warm. So chili, shredded chicken, or risotto happen on weeknights. Preset programs simplify timing, and built-in safety features manage pressure automatically. One-pot cooking means less cleanup, and leftovers taste like they simmered all day. If you want comfort food without hovering over the stove, this is a proven workhorse that saves time and opens up new, easy recipes. Number 6. OXO Good Grips Large Salad Spinner. Crisp greens in minutes with one-handed pumping. The non-slip base anchors the bowl, while the push-button brake stops spin instantly, so you can rinse, dry, and serve in the same container. A clear bowl doubles as a salad bowl, and the basket works as a colander to streamline steps. Drier lettuce means dressings cling better and stay lighter. If you're tired of soggy salads and paper towel piles, this spinner speeds prep, improves texture, and cuts down kitchen waste. Number 7. Rubbermaid Brilliance 14-piece food storage set. Meal prep that actually stays fresh. These crystal clear containers are leak-proof with secure latches, stack neatly in the fridge, and resist stains and odors from tomato sauce or curry. Vented lids handle microwave reheats without splatter, and the modular sizes make portioning simple. Because they're see-through, you'll waste less and find things faster. For lunches, leftovers, and organized fridges, this set is a reliable, everyday upgrade that saves food, saves time, and looks clean on open shelves. Number 8. SodaStream Terra Sparkling Water Maker. Skip cases of seltzer and make bubbly on demand. The SodaStream Terra carbonates water with quick connect carbon dioxide cylinders, so you control fizz from lightly sparkling to boldly bubbly. Pair it with flavor drops for custom soda without excess sugar or plastic waste. No power cord means it fits anywhere, and bottles lock in with a satisfying click. If you're chasing hydration goals or entertaining often, this system saves money, saves space, and keeps fresh fizzy drinks a button press away. Number 9. Ninja Thirsty Drink System. Turn plain water into customizable drinks at home. Ninja Thirsty lets you carbonate on demand and mix flavor pods for still, lightly, or sparkling beverages with adjustable flavor strength. The reusable bottle and at-home system reduce single-use cans while saving pantry space. One-button controls make quick work of daily refills between tasks, and the slim profile fits most countertops. If your family craves variety without sugary sodas, this delivers fast, fizzy hydration that's cheaper per serving and easy to maintain. Number 10. EUHOMY Cold Press Juicer. Make fresh, nutrient-rich juice without the hassle. The extra-wide 5.5-inch feed chute takes larger pieces of produce to cut prep time, while slow masticating extraction boosts yield and reduces foam. A reverse function helps clear soft clogs, and the quiet motor keeps mornings peaceful. Parts come apart quickly for a fast rinse, so daily juicing feels realistic. If you want better tasting juice with less waste and less chopping, this is a smart, time-saving upgrade for healthy routines at home. Number 11. Vitamix E310 Explorian Blender. Power, control, and durability in a smaller footprint. The E310's aircraft-grade blades and variable speed dial create silky smoothies, nut butters, sauces, and hot soups via friction heat. No stovetop needed. A dedicated pulse button handles chunky salsas and quick chops, while the 48-ounce jar suits daily use without hogging space. Self-cleaning is as simple as warm water and a drop of soap. If you want pro-level texture and longevity, this is the blender that replaces lesser gadgets on your counter. Number 12. Ninja Foodi DZ401 DualZone Air Fryer. Cook 2 foods 2 ways and finish together. Dual baskets with independent temps let you roast veggies while air frying chicken, or dehydrate snacks while baking fries. No flavor crossover. Smart Finish syncs completion times. 10 quarts total capacity feeds the family without batch cooking. Cleanup is straightforward with non-stick baskets and crisper plates. If timing dinner is a daily puzzle, this air fryer solves it with flexibility, speed, and consistent crisp results that rival the oven in a fraction of the time. Number 13. Neretva 15-in-1 Bread Maker. Fresh bread with push-button control. This stainless bread maker bakes up to 3.3-pound loaves and handles everything from gluten-free to French, whole wheat, cake, and dough programs. A full-touch panel simplifies settings, while the non-stick ceramic pan promotes even baking and easy release. The AutoNut dispenser drops mix-ins at the right time for uniform flavor. If you love the aroma of fresh bread but not the effort, this machine delivers consistent results, big capacity, and hands-off convenience for busy kitchens. Number 14. Submin Fresh Meat Slicer. Get deli-like slices from fresh meat at home. Multiple stainless blades make uniform strips in a single pass, while adjustable thickness lets you tailor cuts for stir-fries, tacos, or hot pot. A heavy suction base anchors securely to smooth counters so you can work safely and quickly. It's easy to disassemble and wash when you're done. Compared to knife work, you'll get faster prep, consistent texture, and prettier plating. Perfect for BBQ enthusiasts and home cooks who value precision and speed. Number 15. Fullstar the Original Pro Chopper. Chop onions without the tears or the mess. Fullstar's Pro Chopper swaps tedious knife work for push-down, interchangeable blades that dice, slice, and julienne into a built-in container. The uniform pieces cook evenly, the handguard protects fingers, and cleaning tools make post-prep simple. It's compact, dishwasher safe, and perfect for salsa, meal prep, and weeknight sides. If you want faster, cleaner prep and consistent results, this chopper turns piles of produce into neat cuts in minutes with minimal effort, every time. Number 16. Once for all, Safe Mandoline Slicer. Slice faster without risking fingertips. This safety-first mandoline keeps razor-sharp 420 stainless blades hidden while you feed produce through a large chute. Dial in thickness from paper-thin to hearty cuts, and switch among slice, julienne, or matchsticks without swapping blades. Foldable legs with suction cups lock it in place for stable slicing, then collapse for compact storage. It's a smarter way to get uniform veggies for salads, chips, and stir-fries, saving time while delivering pro results and safer, more confident prep. Number 17. Deluxe Everyday Electric Griddle. Make breakfast for a crowd or batch-cook dinners on a roomy, even-heating griddle. The 20 by 10.5-inch non-stick plate handles pancakes, eggs, bacon, smash burgers, and quesadillas all at once. Precision temperature control keeps hot spots at bay, and a drip tray channels grease for cleaner cooking. The cooking plate is removable and dishwasher safe, so cleanup is painless. If you're tired of juggling pans, this griddle speeds throughput, reduces mess, and delivers consistent browning for better-looking, better-tasting meals any day of the week. Number 18. Tasti-Crisp Electric Air Fryer Oven. Crispy favorites with less oil and less space. This compact 2.6-quart air fryer handles weeknight portions of fries, tenders, or veggies without heating the whole kitchen. Simple controls and auto shutoff make it beginner-friendly, while the non-stick basket cleans quickly after dinner. It preheats fast, cooks evenly, and fits easily on smaller countertops. If you want speed, lighter results, and minimal cleanup, this little air fryer is a budget-friendly way to bring crispy back to your menu more often. Number 19. Kitchen Mama Auto Electric Can Opener. Open cans hands-free with a single tap. Kitchen Mama's Auto Electric Can Opener cuts along the lid's outer rim for smooth, safe edges, so you can lift the top without sharp shards. It works on standard-size cans and stops automatically, making it ideal for busy cooks or anyone with limited grip strength. Compact, battery-powered, and simple to wipe clean, it frees up your hands for prep. If you value safety and convenience, this little helper makes pantry staples effortless. Number 20. Chefman Roll and Go Food Warming Mat. Keep dishes hot without babysitting the oven. This portable warming mat lays flat under platters or casseroles and distributes heat evenly to maintain serving temperature. Great for buffets, potlucks, or Sunday brunch. It rolls up for easy storage, plugs in anywhere, and keeps countertops clear of bulky chafers. You'll waste less food, avoid reheating cycles that dry things out, and time your sides to the main course. For hosts and meal preppers, it's a low-stress way to serve warm, tasty food. Number 21. Dash Hot Air Popcorn Popper Maker. Movie night popcorn without oil or waiting. This popper uses hot air to turn kernels into up to 16 cups of fluffy popcorn in minutes, with a measuring cup that doubles as a buttermelt tray when you want the classic flavor. It's compact, easy to clean, and perfect for dorms, apartments, or family snack time. Healthier than bagged microwave options and cheaper per bowl, it's a quick win for households that snack often, and a fun upgrade for parties and game days. Number 22. COSORI Electric Gooseneck Kettle with 5 temperature presets. Brew coffee and tea at the right temperature every time. This electric gooseneck kettle offers 5 precise presets for green, oolong, black, coffee, and boil, while the slender spout gives you steady, controlled pours for pour-over perfection. The stainless steel interior keeps water pure, and Keep Warm holds your set temperature. Quick heating speeds mornings, and auto shutoff adds peace of mind. If you care about flavor clarity and consistency, this kettle delivers barista-level control in a sleek, countertop-friendly package you'll love. Number 23. Zulay Kitchen Executive Series Milk Frother. Upgrade your coffee at home with silky foam in seconds. This handheld frother whips lattes, cappuccinos, and matcha effortlessly. No bulky machine required. The powerful motor creates rich microfoam, while the counter stand keeps it within reach and off messy drawers. Rinse the whisk and you're done. It works with dairy and plant milks, so everyone gets their favorite texture. If cafe quality without cafe prices is your goal, this is the fastest, easiest way to elevate your daily cup. Number 24. Dash Rapid Egg Cooker. Consistent eggs without babysitting. This countertop favorite steams hard, medium, or soft-boiled eggs, plus poaches and scrambles with simple measuring lines that nail doneness every time. It's compact for small kitchens and apartments, and the stackable trays mean batch breakfasts or meal prep is easy. Cleanup is quick, and it stores neatly between uses. If you value quick protein and predictable results, the Rapid Egg Cooker turns morning chaos into routine. Great for salads, snacks, and weekday breakfasts in minutes. Number 25. Hamilton Beach Breakfast Sandwich Maker. Build a hot grab-and-go sandwich in about 5 minutes. Layer your bread, egg, cheese, and meat, close the lid, and let the compact cooker handle the timing. Removable non-stick rings separate ingredients as they cook for stackable results and quick cleanup. It's perfect for busy mornings, college dorms, or anyone who wants a cheaper, fresher alternative to drive through. You'll save time and money while dialing in your favorite combos: English muffins, bagels, croissants, exactly the way you like them. Number 26. Alpha Griller's Instant Read Meat Thermometer. Say goodbye to guesswork. This instant read thermometer delivers quick, accurate temperatures, so steaks, roasts, and air-fried chicken hit perfect doneness every time. A large, easy-to-read display keeps numbers clear at the grill or stovetop, and the slim probe slides in cleanly to protect juices. It folds for storage and wipes down in seconds. If consistency and food safety matter to you, this little tool pays for itself. No more overcooking and no more cutting into meat to check. Number 27. Alpha Griller's Meat Shredder Claws. Turn roasts into restaurant-style pulled meat in minutes. These heat-resistant nylon claws grip and shred pork, chicken, or beef with ease, and they're equally handy for lifting briskets, stabilizing large cuts, or tossing salads. The ergonomic handles reduce strain and cleanup is quick so you can get back to the feast. Compared to forks, you'll work faster with less mess and better texture. If you smoke, grill, or slow cook, these claws instantly become a favorite tool in the kit. Number 28. Spring Chef Swivel Vegetable Peelers. Make fast work of potatoes, carrots, apples, and more. Sharp stainless blades and a swivel head hug curves for efficient peeling with less waste, while the cushy ergonomic handle keeps your wrist happy during bigger prep sessions. You get 2 peelers, so there's always a backup clean, or a second tool for a helper. They rinse easily and are dishwasher safe for no-fuss maintenance. A simple, everyday upgrade that speeds prep, improves control, and leaves smoother surfaces for better cooking results. Number 29. AUOON Clip-On Strainer. Streamline pasta night with a strainer that clips right to your pot. The flexible, heat-resistant silicone grips the rim securely, letting you pour off water without transferring food to a bulky colander. That means fewer dishes, safer two-handed control, and more cabinet space back. It fits round pans and most stock pots, cleans quickly, and lives in a drawer when not in use. If you love quick dinners and minimal cleanup, this clip-on strainer is a smart, space-saving essential. Number 30. Zulay Kitchen Silicone Utensil Rest with Drip Pad. Keep your stove and counters clean while you cook. This heat-resistant bisphenol A-free silicone rest holds spatulas, spoons, and tongs in separate slots and catches drips in the built-in tray, so sauces stay off your surfaces. Non-slip and dishwasher safe, it parks tools within reach and saves you paper towels later. It's compact enough for tight kitchens, yet sturdy enough for daily use. A small, inexpensive upgrade that reduces mess, speeds cleanup, and keeps your station organized when meals get busy. Thanks for watching. Tell us which gadget you're grabbing first, and drop your best kitchen hack in the comments. If this helped, tap like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss our next roundup. All the products and timestamps are linked in the description below. Share this with a friend who loves quick meals, and we'll see you in the next one. Happy cooking and smarter prep.